Ultimate Frisbee is a really fun game, and one of the best things about it is that it's really easy to get into, even if you've never even thrown a Frisbee before. The rules of the game are pretty simple. It's basically set up like American football, where each team is trying to get into their end zone. And the way you advance across the field is you have to pass the Frisbee to your teammates, and once you catch the Frisbee, you cannot move. You only advance by continually passing the Frisbee until you pass it to somebody in the end zone. When you catch a pass in the end zone, your team scores a point, and then you throw it off to the other team. However, if somebody on the other team blocks a pass, it is now the other team's possession, and then they get a chance to pass it to their end zone. If you throw the Frisbee off the field out of bounds, it is the other team's possession. You can also guard a person that has the Frisbee and count to 10, and if they're still holding the Frisbee by the time you count to 10, the Frisbee is now stalled and it is your team's possession. And those are pretty much the basic rules. There are other little rules here and there, but that's pretty much all you need to know when you first start playing. One of the things I like best about Frisbee is that it's usually pretty laid back. You can get competitive, but most of the Frisbee groups I've ever played with are pretty chill, and I always end up having a good time.